This is my nail polish collection, and I want to downsize it. So, how did I do for quarter 4? Well, I'm afraid it's not the most successful quarter. Let's start with this purple polish from Golden Rose in the shade 131. I've used it 3 times on my hands. The hand is nowhere inside, I'm about here, but it's one of my newest polishes, so it makes sense, and I like both the shade and the formula, so I don't mind bringing this one with me in 2025. Next we have I'm a Rich Girl from Sephora. I had a chance to finish this one, but I only used it 1 time on my feet and I didn't finish it. Most of the progress I made this year was from scrapbooking, but I'm happy nonetheless to be nearly done with this one because it's a shade I don't really like and it's quite old. So it's a good news that it's almost finished. The next one I had a good chance to finish is this Sephora polish in the shade Dinner for Two. I used it 2 times on my feet and 1 time on my hands, but sadly I didn't finish this one either. I am near the bottom as you can see, but still I didn't manage to finish it, and it's too bad because I only used these 3 polishes this last quarter, and since I haven't finished anything this quarter, it means that I didn't reach my yearly goals. Sure, I finished 5 products, but it's not exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to finish 5 polishes, and one of these products is a nail care product. It's really great that I finished this one because I've been working on it for 2 years, so it's great that it's finally done. But it also means that I have only 4 polishes finished, and this one, if you remember, I finished it by using it to make marks on my project pan items and not by using it on my nails, so it doesn't really count. I've only finished these 3 polishes by using them as polishes. So it's good because these 2 were very old and I didn't really like this one, but it's not the goal I was aiming for. On the bright side, these 2 will be really easy to finish in 2025. Also in 2025, I would like to finish this white polish from Maybelline because it's pretty old. And I'd also like to finish this corally one from YSL. It's also an old product and I've used it a lot this year, so I think even though I'm not near the bottom, I have well groomed it to be finished this year. At least I hope so. And I would like to finish one of these silvers because 2 silvers is too much for me. The challenge is that both are pretty full, so I don't know how it will turn out. After that, I'll be left with 5 polishes that I don't care to finish fast because I like the shades and the formulas, although I'm not too keen on this red one, which is very liquidy. But for the most part, they are young and fresh in my collection and I don't mind keeping them for a longer time. And from there I want to rebuild a collection with only polishes that are better or less bad health-wise. So we'll explore new brands, and the good news is that there are a ton of options in this category. So this year we'll see both how I finish my old collection and how I create my new one. But before that, let's review all my yearly totals.